Hey, what's going on you guys? Now in this video, I am going to show you how do you enable camera access on TikTok on iPhone and iPads. So let's start. If you are in a situation where you cannot access your camera using your iOS device, here's what you can do. So the first thing that you need to do is to uninstall or delete TikTok from your device. After doing so, go to your App Store and download TikTok again. Now open up the newly installed TikTok. And from here, it is going to ask access for your camera and your microphone. All you have to do is allow access for both camera and microphone. So that is for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.